Previously, we built a TCP server and client. Now it's time to look at UDP, another core transport protocol in networking. While TCP guarantees reliable, connection-based communication, UDP is connectionless and faster, but does not guarantee delivery. Here's how our simple UDP server works. We create a socket, but this time we specify it sock DRAM to use UDP instead of TCP. We bind it to localhost on port 9999 and wait for data using receive from, which not only receives the message but also gives us the sender's address. Then we respond using send to. On the client side, there's no connection setup like TCP. The client just creates a UDP socket, sends a message to the server with send to, waits for a reply using receive from, and prints it out. Now let's run it. First, start the server. Python server.py. In another terminal, run the client, python client.py. You'll see the server receive the message and the client prints. This shows the key difference. TCP establishes a connection and ensures reliable delivery, while UDP just sends packets quickly without that overhead.